In the boardrooms of Fortune 500 companies, governance stands as a pivotal cornerstone. Proper governance mechanisms not only safeguard corporate health but also underpin sustainable growth and innovation. The most proficient C-level executives understand that effective governance is not a mere checkbox exercise, it's the robust system that orchestrates harmonized business operations. Defining modern governance. While governance traditionally revolved around the system by which companies are directed and controlled, modern challenges necessitate a broader view. Today's governance encompasses the intricate dance between shareholders, board members, and executive management, all striving towards operational excellence while mitigating risk management concerns. Best practices in corporate governance. To truly harness the benefits of superior governance, consider the following best practices. Strengthen board independence. Independent board members bring a fresh perspective, free from potential conflicts of interest, and often provide an unvarnished viewpoint that prioritizes shareholder value. Embrace diversity. A diverse board, representing different skills, backgrounds, and viewpoints, offers a broader understanding of market challenges and customer needs. Ensure transparent communication. Clear, open channels between management, board members, and stakeholders help in navigating complexities and in maintaining trust. Foster continuous learning. The business landscape is in perpetual flux. Continuous education programs for board members keep them abreast with latest trends, risks, and opportunities. Key principles of effective governance. Understanding the underlying principles can help in refining governance strategies. Accountability. Every decision-maker, be it a board member or an executive, should be answerable for their actions and decisions. This fosters a sense of responsibility and ensures the alignment of actions with company objectives. Transparency. Transparent processes and decision-making protocols reduce ambiguities, bolster stakeholder trust, and fortify risk management strategies. Integrity. Upholding moral and ethical principles should be non-negotiable. It not only enhances reputation but also ensures long-term shareholder value creation. Strategic alignment. Governance mechanisms should align with the broader strategic planning, ensuring that every decision and action propels the company towards its overarching goals. Unique insights into governance for the modern C-level executive. The digital age has redefined governance paradigms. Digital transformation isn't merely a tech-centric concept, it intertwines deeply with governance. Modern C-level executives are not just strategists, they are visionaries who see the intersections of technology, strategy, and governance. Take, for instance, data. In the age of big data and analytics, how does governance evolve? The answer lies in comprehensive data governance strategies. Such frameworks ensure data integrity, security, and usability, tying back into broader governance structures. Additionally, with the increasing thrust on sustainability and corporate responsibility, environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors are becoming paramount. Modern governance is no longer confined to financial metrics, it envelops societal impact and sustainability too. Performance management and governance, the silent symphony. Performance management isn't isolated from governance, in fact, they are two sides of the same coin. While performance management zooms in on the performance of individuals, teams, and processes, governance provides the overarching structure, ensuring alignment with corporate goals. For a C-level executive, this is the silent symphony that, when orchestrated well, leads to unparalleled corporate success. In essence, for the modern C-level executive, governance is a dynamic, evolving discipline. It's not static, nor is it siloed. It's interconnected, interwoven, and integral to every facet of the business, from strategic planning to digital transformation and beyond. Want to learn more about governance? We have included links to governance resources in the description. Also, download presentations, templates, and other best practice tools on governance from Flevy.com.